I'm Nikos Tiriakides and I'm here with B&T Composites, a family-owned business based in Florina, Greece. We manufacture advanced composite materials using the filament winding technique. We aim to make our products, these composite superstructures, not just stronger or lighter, but also smarter by integrating into them a nervous system made out of optical fiber sensors. We want to thank the Hellenic Manufacturers of Defense Material Association for giving us the opportunity to showcase those products coming out of Greece. Thank you very much.